So now I'm going to show you the ingredients that we need for our masala and then for our frying. So for the masala, I've taken one large onion, some cilantro leaves, half a bunch of cilantro leaves, curry leaf that's used very much in our Indian cuisine, and ginger. It's actually 2 inches of ginger and 6 pulses of garlic. And I have coconut, 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut, and 2 green chilies. This will go in the pan and we are going to fry it to make the masala. So this is our dry ingredients. For the masala, I've taken 1 spoon of jeera seeds, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, and black peppercorns half a spoon, and this is poppy seeds. Poppy seeds I've taken 1 spoon as well. So oil, I'm going to be using sesame oil. Sesame oil really is very good for cooking, and it's also good for health as well. So I'm going to use sesame oil today. You can substitute this with olive oil as well. So we're going to do the masala with these ingredients. So once our masala is ready, everything will go into the pot along with the crab. So for that we have to get the pot ready. So I'm going to use oil, 2 spoons of oil. I'm going to put the mustard seeds. I've taken 1 spoon of mustard seeds and half large onion, just half of the large onion, and this is 1 tomato. I've cut the tomato into pieces and 1 tomato. The dry ingredients for this dish is going to be salt for your taste. This is coriander powder, 3 spoons of coriander powder. Red chili powder, I've taken only half a spoon. I don't want to make it very spicy since I'm adding black peppercorns as well. And this is turmeric. Turmeric, it's going to be added. I'm going to use half a spoon of turmeric. Heat a pan, add 2 spoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm going to add all of my dry ingredients: black peppercorns, cumin seeds, jeera seeds. Once you start hearing the poppy seeds crackling, the noise, you can put the other vegetables inside. So now I'm going to put ginger, curry leaf, garlic, onions, coriander leaf, everything together. Add the green chili and the coconut. So now that you see that I've added all of my cooked masala into the grinding mixie, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this. So I'm going to mix the masala. So the masala is ready. Now we will start making our kurma. Add the mustard seeds, allow it to sparkle. Now add onions. Fry them well. the onions are cooked well. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Add salt to this, turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So you can see that the oil has started to separate and the tomato is also cooked well, it's mushy. Now let's add the masala that we have grinded. Open the pot. The kurma is cooking really well. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon for the citrusness. I'm going to drop the crab into this. Make sure all the crabs are covered with the kurma gravy, and then you can cover it with a lid. Now you can see that the kurma is done. The color of the crab has changed from grey to red. That shows that the crab is well cooked. Hope you enjoy this curry and let me know your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Spice Stuff.